I went to see David the Good. I'm a singer and he's an audio dude. He helped me set up my studio, but not in person, but through Skype, you know. I went to see David the Good. He lives in paradise, growing his own food. He's got 8 children, or is that 9? A wife named Rachel, and their life is fine. To see David the Good. He built a house of planks, of fine driftwood. The jungle's right outside, his family near. The windows like a church bring heaven here. Come and see David the Good. He'll teach you gardening. You can grow your own food. Out in paradise, you'll have some fun. Come work together and we'll play in the sun. Come work together and we'll play in the sun.
You're gonna live or you're gonna die. No more mama tree for you. You understand that? I think it understands. So at this point, we just keep it watered. We'll put it in a nice shady spot on the porch, give it the best opportunity to develop those roots. You know, you can use this air layering technique with a lot of different trees. It works better with some and less well with others. First time I tried it on a mango, I had no luck. I did multiple air layers, they all failed. Then this last time when I tried it on a mango, 6 months later, I had great roots. The mango actually has already bloomed in the pot. It's developing right now, it looks great. So we'll see how the Ackee does. And if you haven't air layered before, I highly recommend giving it a try. It's really not that hard. Watch the demonstration video and you'll see how it works. And of course, you can always check out my book, Free Plants for Everyone, The Good Guide to Plant Propagation, which is on Amazon and elsewhere for lots of pen and ink drawings and all that kind of stuff on how, bit by bit, you can make lots of plants for free. A lot of fun. So be sure to like, subscribe, catch me on the web at thesurvivalgardener.com. And until next time, may your thumbs always be green.